Good morning, guys. So today I'll be vlogging. Nothing interesting, I don't think so, but I just thought I have been MIA for such a long time, so I have to do something. So I'm gonna vlog for you guys today. I think I haven't vlogged since Christmas Day, which is a really bad. So yeah, I'm trying to be more active, but as I said before, the house was being renovated. Still not done, but it's pretty good. The ceiling is done, my room is done, my room is around there, but it's all packed up with stuff. So but you guys will be getting that makeover, my room makeover video, and that'll be fun. So I'm looking forward to making that video for you guys. It has already been started, just for me to film the last part of it when I'm decorating and stuff like that. So alright guys, so this is my OOTD. I am a guider, girl guider, and we're going to a guiders forum in Montego Bay. Sam Sharp, here I come. As I said, yes, you see if I see me, I'm gonna do it. I'm extra, you know, I'm extra. Yep, but you never know. So guys, this is my mom. She's also in her guider's uniform. Yes. Peace. We're going out. Yes, so you guys will be seeing a lot of, what do you call that again? Guiders. So mom, this is like my second time going to one of these forums. My bottle is leaking. I love this bottle so much, but it keeps failing me. Like, why? Didn't do much makeup, but I did put on some eyeliner and some lash. Last time she did it, she messed up. Yeah, like every time I wear the clothes here, I'm put on makeup. Oh, like so nasty. So, me just not bother. Sometimes, you know, you just break out.
Honey, on the track, you played it back in stereo. Now that's your favorite song, they play it on the radio. I stay working like that, you hear me, you don't feel me though.
Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it.
Should I drink it up? Should I pour my life into the cup? Would that make me down?
Oh my god, this is amazing! Thumbnail. Bye! Good morning, guys. We are late as well. Ooh. Hi guys, so I just finished a session. That's the second session of the day. We came very late, as you guys saw before. We're really late. We came when the speaker was going on, so yeah, but we just finished the session and we'll be coming back about 2, so it's lunchtime, so I'm gonna have lunch now. We're finished, guys. Home time. Alright guys, so while I'm editing this video, I just realized I did not end my vlog. So this is us, we're leaving Montego Bay. We really had fun,
all the scenery, all the beautiful scenery, and I hope you guys also enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, please smash that subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
Hi, bye.
It's every day, bro, with the Disney Channel flow. 5 mil on YouTube in 6 months, never done before. Past all the competition, man. PewDiePie is next, man. I'm